Hello guys, welcome to D&D channel for game development. As you can see, I am on a project recently for a game. As you can see, it's just a simple beginner way of making game. As you can see, the logic is simple. There's a gift here and I have my character here, this particular sprite. As you can see, to move, my system is slow, so okay. As you can see, my character here, this particular character, I've given it the components, rigid body, collider, that it could also collide with all these obstacles and also grab this particular gift. So the rule is simple, the logic is simple. It's simply a grab, or should I say collect and respawn system. The logic of the game is that this particular guy here goes all around the game scene to collect this gift, and as it collects it, this gift will randomly respawn anywhere around this game scene. And I have put in my score, and my timer is not actually being viewed here in the scene view, but if you can see my game view, yeah, you can see my score, and also you can see my timer, and you can see a little thing here, times up. That is, I've already set this particular game mode. I have so many game mode ideas, but this particular game mode is that the timer is set to 60 seconds. The timer is set to 60 seconds. As you can see here, if I can go to my time manager, yeah, you can see in my inspector panel at my right hand side. You may be new to Unity, this is the inspector panel. So as you can see, my time 60 seconds is actually 60 seconds, so it counts in seconds. So yeah, my game count and will be counting down to 0, from 60 to 0, and the rule is that I have to get as many gifts as I could before that time runs out, and it will score me. So let me just get into the gameplay. The times up here, as I said before, is it will just pop up. It won't show exactly when I'm playing the game. It will pop up whenever the time is over. Whenever the time is over, it comes up. As you can see in my inspector panel, it says game over text is actually times up and the timer text, which is this particular one. So let me go ahead with the play and you see. Let's play game. As you can see, it's loading, reloading domain. It's going to take some few seconds, then it comes up. I wonder how the game will be if I'm making a large game. My system could crash out. It might blow in front of me. So let's just be patient. Okay, I think it's not yet. Okay, as you can see, my character fell. My character was here. I was here before, then it fell. The reason for that is because it has the rigid body, that the physics had to let it to fall down. So yeah, I've already put in the control code, and now as you can see, I can jump. I'm pressing my space bar and it's jumping. It's all in the code. And Unity uses C# code, as if you don't know. it uses C# code, and you can see we can jump, and now we can move left, we can move right actually, and we can move left. So yeah, we have a character that can move left and right and can also jump. And you might be wondering, might be saying, how can we reach this particular height if this is the only jump time? Oh, due to too much explanation, my time ran out. My time ran out due to too much explanation. I totally forgot about that. Okay, let's start the game over again. What's next I'm going to put is a restart button that will make the game with just a tap of the button, I'll just automatically restart the game. So let's see. Okay, now the game starts. As you can see again, as I explained before, it has that rigid body. So let's try and beat up the time. As you can see, there's a gift. It randomly appeared in another place of the game view. As you can see, our score is counting. The much as we collect, the more it counts. As you can see, we've collected 13 gifts. Timer is running out. 26, 23, 20. Okay, 22, 23. Okay, I collected 25 gifts. Let's try and make it 30 before sharp. It's 30 and time's up. As you can see, as I said earlier in the video, whenever the timer runs out, it shows up time's up, and we had 32 gifts, as you can see. And as the time runs out, I can still kind of control my character, but I can't collect any more gifts. As you can see, I can just go past it and nothing happens. No score is counting for me. The timer is up, and that's the end of the game. So yeah, it uses C#, and actually I'm still learning C#. It's kind of hard. I'm still learning the variables, everything. I'm a beginner to C# actually, and all that. And yeah, this is just a simple game. So how did I do it? How did I get the code? Normal vibe coding. Yeah, I asked AI what I needed, what actually needs to happen in my game, and yeah, it worked. So that's all for this game. In my next video, I'll go a little deep on how I made the obstacles, all these bricks, and the timer, the score, and also this times up this thing pop up times up. And that is all. Please like and follow for more game development tips. Will I say tips? I'm not a pro yet to give tips, but yeah, this is what I'm working on, and you can also work on it and also learn how to do